Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to do a challenge, and first I'm going to be using the James Charles palette since it has a lot of different colors and it's not all brown. So my sister helped me and she wrote all the names of the colors on pieces of ripped up sticky notes, and I thought it would be fun if I would just pick the color and that's the color I would have to put in the step that I'm doing for my eye look. So I guess let's just get started. Okay, so first I'm going to do is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in pale, just to do my eyelids. Alright, so I'm just gonna talk over my dog barking right now. Okay, so, oh wait, I usually set down with a color, or should I start with that?
Pick a color.
Okay, alright, so we're gonna pick a color. And I don't even remember like the names of all of them, but, oh, I'm not gonna look. Oh my god, I'm nervous. That works. Okay, so I picked the color, and it's gonna be Social Blade. This is Social Blade Green.
That's like the lime green.
I've never even attempted to use that color. Okay, so I kept the transparency over it. And Social Blade is the light neon green. So I'm going to set my makeup with, I'm just gonna try to use this fluffy brush and see how this goes. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Ah! Ready?
Oh my brush.
I literally can't get over it. Maybe this will actually turn out good. You never know. Okay. So I'm gonna pick another color for my transition shade. Oh god. Oh, I'm like looking. Huh. Okay. Let's go with this one. And this is Playground. And Playground is this blue. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with this brush from Scone. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And this is another shade I have never used in my life. Oh my. Okay, but maybe it will like come out good. You never know, right? Okay, that's actually not that bad, right? Not that bad, no. Okay. Okay, so I think now I'm just going to pick a color to start deepening the outside. And then we'll just work our way in and, oh, I don't know. All right, so let's start with the outer V now. Oh my god, I can't with this.
I mean, I guess it does really so bad.
Okay. So the outer V color is going to be, oh my god, this Rusted. So that's, oh my god. Okay, so Rusted is the darker burnt orange color. Oh my god, I look like a clown. Oh, I look like Sherbert.
You still have 2 more colors that you have to put in.
No, now I'm gonna pick a color for here, and then I usually try to put a darker color here just to enhance like where my lashes are to make it look like there's a shadow, and then I do underneath and then the inner highlight. So I'm going to do the color that's gonna go on top of the green part, and hopefully it's just a cute shimmer, hopefully not guac. And
did you get guac? Or spooky? Did you get spooky?
I got you're kidding. And you have to be kidding me.
Which one?
So you're kidding is the bright red color. Okay, you know what? I'm actually going to put it in there.
I feel like Christmas vibes.
Okay. So the next color, please be something good.
That should be spooky.
Okay, I got one. And it is
What is it? Spooky?
518.
What the? Hold on, I gotta look.
And 518 is the bright orange.
What is up with you with these red and orange colors?
Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a flat. Come on. Alright, I'm just gonna put it there. I was actually kind of happy with the way it was going
It
until
doesn't look that bad.
right about now. Fix. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now I'm gonna try whatever color I pick. It will either be in my V, my outer V and darken it, or underneath. So the color that I picked is Acapella. And Acapella is the shimmery dark blue. Oh yeah, it looks fantastic. Can't wait to go pick up Mom from work. Okay, we should record a reaction and then I'll put it in the video. She's gonna be like, what the hell?
Went from a long sweater to the hell is with your eyes? And the dog where I was gonna take you guys out to eat.
I'm gonna pick one more color for my inner corner highlight and maybe my brow. But watch it be like a dark color. If it's a dark color, I'm not doing it. I'll keep going until I get a light color. I'll just put it somewhere else. Color I picked is
Spooky.
Boutique. I actually like, that's one of my favorite colors in the palettes. I usually do use that in normal looks, so I guess I'll just put it in my V again. Oh my god, I can't do this. And let's try, I just want a shimmer, like literally just a shimmer. Really? I dropped it. Such a close. You've got to be kidding me. I picked cola. Oh my.
You really suck at this.
Alright, maybe you should pick a color then.
I wanna pick.
Okay, I'm gonna do cola literally where I put cola right here.
I wanna pick the next color.
Cola's going right in there. I can't. Alright, Sierra, go ahead, pick a color, any color.
I'm gonna pick the color and look at it and then I'll show you. Okay. It's canvas.
You know what? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take canvas. So canvas is the nude shade. The finished eye look. My eyes are burning right now. Alright, I guess I'm not gonna even put lashes on. I'm just gonna put mascara on and literally leave. Alright, so that is going to be the end of the video. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. Hopefully you think my makeup doesn't look that bad. I tried the best with the colors that I picked. So, also thank you for 3,000 views on my summer haul video. That really just motivated me to keep going and just try to work harder. And sorry that I was gone for a month. So the video of the update of my life, I literally recorded that a month ago and some things have already changed from then. So yeah. And Sierra and I are still trying to get started on our series, but the month of June was literally just all over the place, so there was no spare time for anything. But hopefully now, as things start to slow down, we can start. So yeah, so hopefully then we will start that, and the vlog, I'm still trying to edit vlogs for my vacation and trying to make a travel diary. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you at my next video.